Hey friends, we're out here in the front yard testing out a new product today. This is the Lexivon 36-inch axe. It's a splitting axe for firewood. As you can see, we're out here in our little front yard. We've got our little chimenea that we need to split some wood for now that it's winter. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the axe. Let's give it a quick demo and give our quick review. So straight out of the box, I really just love how great this axe looks. The yellow and the black together really make for a nice, powerful graphic. It's just really nice to look at. It has this little plastic handle piece that comes with the packaging. I like to keep the axe head in this when I'm not using it. Again, it just adds a little bit of protection against that sharp blade. It is sharp straight out of the box. To remove this, we're just gonna move this little tab down and then the axe pops right out. Now again, we can take a closer look at that head. It's 3.8 pounds. And again, it's really, really nicely designed. You can see it's really well balanced. It's a solid piece within the handle. So again, you're gonna get a really nice, good balanced strike for the axe. Okay, so we have a stump out here to go ahead and crack. This is a really dry stump, so this should be a pretty easy test for the axe. Let's go ahead and give it a few whacks here. So there you go, friends. It made pretty decent work of that stump. The first initial hits, I did need to hit it a few times in order to get it to really crack and split. But then the smaller pieces, man, it moved through those really, really easily. Definitely an awesome axe. Again, this is the V36s, a 36-inch handled axe made by Lexivon. Super big thumbs up from us. If this has helped, definitely subscribe. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these little tool videos that we use and review, give you our thoughts on. If that can be helpful, then definitely stay tuned. We got a bunch more coming up. We'll see you again on the next one.